Hello everyone! Welcome to Bright Lab Tutorials. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button to keep you updated on my tutorials. Ngayon, pag-aaralan natin paano mag-add at mag-subtract ng rational expressions. As with multiplying and dividing, the steps to adding and subtracting fractions can be applied also to rational expressions. Now, kailangan lang natin kunin yung least common denominator before we combine a fraction. If you need to know kung paano kunin ang least common denominator ng fraction, meron akong video dito. Okay, example, x plus 6 over 3x plus 1 plus x plus 1 over 3x plus 1. Makikita mo na pareho sila ng denominator, so sulat lang natin ang denominator nila. Okay, kasi pareho naman. And then, let's combine the numerator. So, x plus 6 plus x plus 1. Okay, combine natin yung dalawang like terms. X plus x is 2x. And then 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3x plus 1. Okay, next. Let's add 3 over 2x squared plus x plus 2x over 6x plus 3. Makikita mo na hindi sila pareho. So, kunin muna natin yung common factor dito sa isa. Common factor niyan is x. So, factor out natin ng x. Kung i-divide natin bawat isang term by x, we have 2x plus 1. Dito naman, common factor niya ay 3. Okay, factor out natin ng 3. Divide natin bawat isang term by 3. We have 2x plus 1. Okay, so ngayon kukunin natin yung LCD. So for our LCD, makikita mo na 2x plus 1 is common to both. So part yan ng ating LCD, 2x plus 1. Also, meron siyang x at meron din siyang 3. So part ng LCD natin will be 3x. And then, isulat natin yung numerator sa taas. So 3 and then a parenthesis plus 2x and then a parenthesis. Okay, ngayon, i-divide natin ang bawat denominator. So 3x times 2x plus 1 divided by this denominator, which is also this. Okay, mapapansin mo na parehong may 2x plus 1 at saka may x. So magka-cancel yan, leaving us with just 3. So sulat natin yung 3 dito. Next, okay, divide naman natin to with this denominator, which is also this. It leaves us with just x. So we write x over here. Next, let's multiply. So 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2x times x is 2x squared over our LCD, which is 3x times 2x plus 1. And this is our final answer. If we subtract x over x squared minus 7 plus 6 minus x plus 4 over 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. First, tingnan mo na trinomial ito. So, kunin natin yung factors nito. So, let's factor x squared. So, that's x and x. And i-factor natin ng 6, positive 6, na ang sum nila is negative 7x. So, ang factors ng 6 ay 6 and 1. Okay? At kapag in-add natin siya, since positive 6, so dapat to parehong sign. So, parehong negative. Negative 6 plus negative 1 is negative 7. So, ang factors natin dito ay negative 6 and negative 1. Now, dito naman, trinomial ulit. So, kunin natin ang factors ng 3x squared. So, that's 3x and x. At ang factors ng 1, 1 and 1. But since this is negative, isa dito ay negative, isa dito ay positive. Now, ang kailangan natin makuha yung negative 2x. So, example, gawin natin tong example, -1 and ito positive. Check natin kung tatama siya. So, this one will be x, and then this is 3x times -1 is -3x. If we combine them, we get a -2x. So, tama ang factors natin. Okay, ngayon kukunin na natin ang ating LCD. Alright. You notice na yung x minus 1 pareho sa bawat term. So, kunin natin yan as part of our LCD. Ganun din ang, okay, x minus 6 isang beses lang natin makikita dito. So, part pa rin yan ng ating LCD. At saka yung 3x plus 1. Okay. Now, i-divide natin ito with our denominator, which is also this. But before that, let's first write our numerators and a parenthesis. And then minus our numerator, which is x plus 4. And then another parenthesis. Okay, now let's divide this denominator by this one. Makikita mo na pareho silang may x minus 6 at x minus 1. Magka-cancel yan, leaving us with just 3x plus 1. So, yan ang isulat mo dito. Okay. For the next term, this one divided by our denominator. Okay, which is also equal to this. Magka-cancel yung 3x plus 1 at saka x minus 1. Ito na lang yung matitira. So, sulat natin dito. So next, i-distribute natin ang x sa bawat isang term. Sa ating numerator, x times 3x is 3x squared. X times 1 is x. A minus, so since minus dito, okay, let's put this in a parenthesis. This is 2 binomials, so gagamitan natin siya ng FOIL. So, x times x is x squared. X times -6 is -6x. 4 times x is positive 4x. Okay, and 4 times -6 is -24. Okay, pwede natin i-combine yung -6x at 4x. Okay, it gives us -2x. Okay? And since negative to, ibig sabihin papalitan natin lahat ng signs sa loob ng parenthesis. So this is only for our numerator. So for our numerator, we have 3x squared plus x minus x squared plus 2x plus 24 over our denominator. Okay? So x minus 6, x minus 1, and 3x plus 1. Now, let's simplify or combine like terms sa ating numerator. Okay, so we have 3x squared at saka itong x squared gives us 2x squared. And then combine din natin to. Positive x plus 2x gives us 3x plus 24 over our denominator, which is this. So this is now our final answer. And then for our last example, combine natin yung addition at subtraction. Okay, notice na magkakaiba sila ng denominator. So, kunin natin yung LCD niyan. First, let's factor out this one. So, common dito is x. Pag finactor natin yung x, so we have x plus 2. Okay. Here, also we have x as the common factor. So, divide natin both by x. We have x minus 1. And then ito, trinomial siya. So, kunin natin yung factors ng trinomial. So, factors ng x squared is x and x. And factors ng -2 na magbibigay sa atin ng positive 1x is plus 2 and -1. Okay. So, kunin natin ngayon ang LCD. Our LCD, okay, parehong may x plus 2 sa dalawang ito. So, part yan ng ating LCD. At meron ding x plus minus 1. Okay. And then x also. Okay, so ito ang ating LCD. Divide natin to with the denominator of the first term, which is also this. So magka-cancel tong x at saka x plus 2. Okay, but bago yan, sulat muna natin yung numerator. Okay? Para mas madali. Okay, minus x and then parenthesis plus 2x and then parenthesis. Okay, so sulat muna natin lahat ng mga numerator at yung parenthesis. Okay? And then ngayon, divide na natin. So, itong LCD na to divided by the numerator over here, which is also the same dito. So, makikita natin na magka-cancel yung x at saka x plus 2, leaving us with just x minus 1. So, yan ang isulat natin dito. Next, divide natin to by this denominator, which is also this one. Ang may iwan na lang kasi magka-cancel yung iba dyan ay x plus 2. So, sulat natin dito. And then last, i-divide natin ito by this denominator. Matitira na lang ay x. So, sulat natin siya dito. Okay. Next, distribute natin ang bawat isang term sa loob ng parenthesis. So, we have 3x squared minus 3x minus, okay, negative x times x is negative x squared. And then negative x times 2 is negative 2x plus 2x times x is 2x squared over our denominator na x times the quantity of x plus 2 and x minus 1. Now, i-combine natin lahat ng like terms. Okay, so 3x squared minus x squared plus 2x squared gives us 4x squared. And then, itong negative 3 at saka negative 2x gives us negative 5x over our denominator of x times quantity of x plus 2 and x minus 1. And this is now our final answer. I hope these exercises help you understand adding and subtracting rational expression. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.